Hey guys, I'm Marcela, hope you're well. Today I'm going to show you how to do this cute and so easy to do hairstyle. As you can see, Veronica is wearing makeup. She had her dance concert after filming, so if you think this is too much, don't worry, it's not an everyday thing. Hope you like this video. First of all, I'm going to prepare the hair with our golden treatment. As always, I'm going to apply just one drop all along the hair. Now I can comb the hair, it will work as a detangler and the hair will be so shiny and easy to work with. Okay, now we're going to do a division in the middle of the head from the forehead all the way down to the neck, and I'm going to hold one of the sections. We're going to start on the other side doing another division like this, and I'm going to leave the division down to the height of the brow. Now I'm going to hold the back section, and for the division you should have something like this. I'm going to start on this corner. We're going to do a Dutch braid, so we're going to cross the outside strands under the middle one, and I'm going to add hair from the front. Again, cross the strands under the middle and add a tiny piece of hair from the front. We're going to keep doing the braid along the division that we did, and every time that we add hair to the braid, we're going to do it in very small pieces so the braid will look very neat. In here, we're going to do some more stitches of the braid and hold it with an elastic. Now hold the braid aside and take off this elastic. I'm going to pick up a small piece of hair from the top, split it into 3 equal pieces, and we're going to do a French braid crossing the outside strands over the middle one. Now cross this strand over, add a small piece of hair to the braid, and from here cross over the middle and add a piece of hair to the braid. One more time, cross over the middle, add hair to the braid, and from the other side cross over the middle and add hair to the braid. Keep doing some more stitches of the braid. When we are almost in the division from the front, we're going to add this braid and take off this elastic. In here, keep braiding normally until you add the remaining hair. Perfect. When you reach the end of the hair, hold the braid and cover the elastic with any accessory. Next, we have to do the same thing on the other side. So I'm going to speed this section a little bit and I'll show you how I do it. Good, I already finished here and this is the final result. So pretty and easy to do.
We hope you like this video. If so, give us a big thumbs up and don't forget to share this video and subscribe to our channel. See you on the next video. Bye!